This is the blooper reel, people.
What kind of shots do you not want to have, Stacy?
No fudge. No booty shots. Actually, I never showed butt then. I just showed gut.
I saw something. I don't know what to say.
All right. Yeah, there you go. All right.
Sorry about that.
Did you pick your nose?
No, I scratched.
I can't see squat. Hey,
No.
an improvement.
I got it.
Can I put a big...
Close up. Ooh, that is scary.
That's
Are you
good.
that meticulous whenever you put your own stuff?
All right, audio guy, Roger.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I'm suppressing a burp.
Oh.
I don't know why I keep doing that.
If you don't want me to scream, I won't.